Hey there fellow YouTubers, Mark here, and today we're here in Vienna, Austria at the Prater Park, and today we're going to talk about are actually YouTubers that you should follow that can help you make a better YouTube channel. I mean, if you're watching videos on my channel, you obviously want to make your YouTube channel better. You want to make it a job, a career, maybe you want to just make it more fun. You want to make it better. You want to know channels that can help you out. Well, these are the channels that I use. These are channels that I watch, and I take their advice very seriously, because what you'll see is there are tons and tons of people out there giving YouTube advice, including myself. And the thing is you have to find ones that resonate with you, because maybe a more professional university professor version of help is not what you like. I want more of like a hip, kind of cool, younger vibe and have that help me. That's totally fine. I need someone that's going to start from the baby steps. I already have 1 million subscribers. I want something to help me for that. There's somebody, I mean, there's multiple channels out there for everybody, okay? So if you do have ones you like, put in the comment section below so we can actually get more YouTube channels to check out to help other people make better channels, okay, and make better videos. But the thing is a lot of people ask, well, what ones do you like? And for me, I actually have a list of the ones I do watch, that I do subscribe to, and do comment on their videos occasionally and try to say hi. First one I'd like to talk about is Nicknameit, okay? Nicknameit from Tuber Tools. If you go to his stuff, he's very much a kind of in the dirt, in the trenches. I'm helping you make the videos. I'm going through the trials with you and stuff like that. And he's got a lot of great stuff to help you start out. How to get those first 100 subs, how to get going, what do you do when you have issues. If you're a female vlogger, who should you follow? He's got lots of really, really great stuff, but he speaks to you in like a friend level. It's like you and me together, we're sitting down, having a beer, having a chat, talking about this stuff. And it's like, man, thank you for letting me learn from you. And it's really cool. And what's great is his brother, Neman, he's got his own channel as well. His brother focuses on just mobile video creation. So if you want to have a YouTube channel that just is with your phone and stuff like that, he has all kinds of stuff that helps with that. But what's cool is on Saturdays, not every Saturday, but most Saturdays, those two get together and do a live feed for like 4 or 5 or 6 hours, and they just sit there and they answer people's questions. They go look at people's YouTube channels and give them advice and stuff like that, and it's really cool because it's just kind of like give you a few ideas here and there. And even if they don't look at your channel, the things they talk about really can help you out in those live feeds. So that's one thing there. So Nick and Neman, those guys are really cool. They both have their own channels. Check them out. Now I'm going to go the old school, like as people like to say on my travel channel, you're the OG. You got Tim Schmoyer at Video Creators. This guy has got something for every single little part of your life as a YouTuber, from how do you deal with the stress, to how did people get to 1 million views, to how do I decide, what's the right genre for you to focus in. Tim covers it all. I've met him before briefly. It was one of those starstruck YouTuber moments, like, here's a beer koozie, just thanks man, I have nothing to say, it happens. But the thing is, the guy speaks at conferences all over the world. He is a YouTube helper celebrity. Like, people see him like, Tim Schmoyer, man, thanks, you helped out my channel. But the thing is, he has all kinds of tools to help you out. He has a book, How to Make a Better YouTube Channel in 30 Days. I've actually got that book and went through it and did some of it. I'm like, man, that's really helpful stuff. And so you can check those things out. And the thing is though, if you're a new YouTuber and you're trying to find out the early steps, you're gonna have to look farther back in his catalog, because lately, the last 6 months or so, he's had a lot more interviews with successful YouTubers, which is cool because then you can learn from their experiences. But sometimes you just need the basics kind of things. He has that, but it's in his older videos, so go check that out. And you can enjoy him back when he had his goatee. It's pretty cool. And he's also a super nice guy as well. Now, the next channel I want to talk about is VidIQ. And so what VidIQ is, it's more of a faster pace, kind of here's some tips, here's some ideas kind of stuff. But what they're doing is they actually will also talk about YouTuber news. They'll talk about, hey, did the algorithm really change? Hey, what's with this PewDiePie versus T-Series thing? What does this show? What can we learn from that? What can we learn from this kind of controversy? What do you need to do so you don't get monetized? It's very much more of a like quick hitting kind of stuff. They're usually shorter videos, but they're very helpful. Also, they do the live feeds as well, where they answer people's questions, and they'll do live audits and stuff like that, and you can learn from there. I know I got an audit from Jeremy on there. Dude, Jeremy, you're awesome, dude. If you ever see this video, really appreciate it when you talk to me at VidCon in London. And they do a lot of stuff to really help you out. And that's why I like them, because they're trying to help. And the thing is, you really can tell with these YouTubers, they're really trying to help other YouTubers, which goes a much longer way for me than some of the ones that are just doing it because they're like, oh, look at all the views I have. Don't you want to be like me? these guys are not like that. They're there helping, which is really, really cool. Now, there are some other ones you can check out. I know, for example, if you're looking for more of a YouTuber that will give you the tips for doing YouTube, but then also like look at cameras that you want to have for it, or give you inspiration, Roberto Blake is another great guy to check out. It's much more like, man, I'm feeling down about my YouTube stuff. You watch his thing, it like pumps you up and stuff like that. If you want more of the consultant, higher level, from 30,000 feet looking down kind of YouTube help, you've got Daryl Eves. He's also a rock star when it comes to all these social media conferences, and he does more than just YouTube. He does all kinds of social media stuff. That's another great another great channel to check out. He's also a really nice guy. And then you have another one I like, and that's actually video influencers, and that's definitely much more a younger focus. Like they're much more fast-paced, hey, up there, like in your face kind of stuff. And sometimes it can be a bit much, but the thing is, the stuff they talk about is really good. And if that's what you like, they really hit the nail on the head a lot of times. And so that's why I really got to keep enforcing, find YouTube help channels that help you, that help what you need, because there's so many out there that there's some probably just for your genre. If you want one for gaming or travel or whatever, I'm sure there's some out there. And like for me, I'm doing more general kind of stuff. I'm just trying to help you with general questions, general stuff. And that's why I have general marketing help and business videos and things like that. But there's people that have very focused things as well. And if you want to help grow your channel, watch those videos. And the thing is, don't just watch them. Learn from them and put the things they talk about into practice, and then you can see the differences on your own channel, okay? So whether it's my channel or any of these other channels, I hope they help you on your journey to being a better YouTuber and being whatever you want to be on YouTube. I do wish you all the best of luck. Also, I do appreciate if you give us a like and maybe subscribe. If you don't want to, that's totally fine. Go and watch and go subscribe to some of those other channels. They've got so much great stuff that they can help you out, so I can watch your videos here on YouTube in the future. Anyway, I'll say bye from Vienna and have a great time making your YouTube videos, because I know how much it means to me to do these videos and to help out people, and it really like gets me right here. So your videos get you right here in your heart as well. Bye from Vienna.